Today I bought my brother his dream jet ski. He's gonna be really overwhelmed. Yeah, let's go get him now. Put the blindfold on. Door.
It's pretty threadbare, so I can actually pretty easily see. So.
I think you need to do it
Double
ninja
it up.
style, like a headband.
How about this?
You look like you must be so ugly that you want to hide your face.
All right.
All right, let's make him trip on something.
Oh!
You know what? I bought my brother his favorite jet ski. You know why? Because he's a loser.
Just tell me if I'm safe.
You're safe. Oh no! Did we just ruin the baby stroller? What do you think, guys? Should I just shove him off the stairs? All right, come this way.
I'm worried you're gonna put me into a bucket of water.
Now bend down.
What? No.
Okay, you can take off the mask.
Do I have to keep bending down?
Yes.
Oh. This is it?
Yeah.
What? What? I can't believe it.
Yeah.
This is my dream jet ski.
Exactly.
I would never want this jet ski. Why do you have it?
I bought it for you. I thought you would like it. I thought it would be what you would love most of all.
This is terrible. Is it really an 1100?
Well, there's 2 cylinders in there, so I'm assuming so.
What the? This is wacky.
He's gonna have a bad reaction.
Well, it does have an 1100 in it. Does it run?
Let's find out. Does it run?
I don't think so. Wait, how much did you pay for this piece of junk?
$1,500.
Holy cow, it better run for that price.
It didn't come with a trailer though.
What about a title?
It actually did.
Wow, it's a miracle.
All right, it's gonna run immediately.
About as good as I expected. Wow. This thing's not very good.
It's junk.
It has a good starter though.
It doesn't work.
Did it really not run? Wow, $1,500 bucks for a non-running $1,500 for a non-running 1100.
Ripped off.
And this is supposed to be my dream jet ski?
Well,
I don't think so, man.
I bought it for you.
Really? Well, I guess I'll load it up on my truck and take it home.
But I thought you hated it.
I do, but I'll take it.
Oh no. Well, it might start better if I tilt the trailer up because there's not very much gas in it. So I'm gonna try
You could just put her on reserve, man.
raising the top. Maybe that'll get some more juice to the pickup.
Okay.
But it might not work because obviously I'm so stupid that I bought this initially.
That's true.
Can you guys tell me in the comment section how stupid I am? Please start. Please start. It's running.
Really? Wow.
Wow. I I must be an idiot.
What a piece of junk.
Man, I feel like I have played the fool again and again. And it never works out because everything I do works like crap. That's good. I like that.
Jacob went and found some gas. He doesn't have any regular unleaded or premium regular. Meaning he doesn't have any unmixed gas. So he's gonna put some mixed gas in, and this thing apparently mixes itself.
Hopefully this is gonna give us an awesome smoke show.
I probably shouldn't have said anything in case it starts and it just smokes like a banshee.
Sick.
We'll be like, oh my gosh, it's broken. Oh!
It'll be sick if it smokes.
It'll be a 2-smoker.
This is a 2-cylinder 2-smoke.
Let me check. 1, 2, 3. Oh, what are these back here? 4,
Wait, don't ruin
5, 6. It's actually a 6-cylinder.
Don't ruin it.
Because there's 6 spark plugs.
This gas cap's got a chain.
It lives in.
You got a chain on your gas.
If this thing starts, it'll be a miracle. Let's get this ugly seat out of the way.
Hey, I think it's a good looking seat.
Okay, you take that piece.
I wanted to see that it has a seat. You know?
Like the starting, if this thing runs, it'll be basically the best thing that's happened, but. This is why a lot of people like to go to a primer instead of a choke. You don't have to wait as long. That's pure joy on his face. Look at it. So smoky. Smoke it up. Come on, Jacob. Makes more smoke it like an. Okay, it's not very smoky at all. Oh well, whatever. It runs too good.
It's dead. It's dead.
It's too reliable. Put the DI on it.
We need to put a DI conversion out of a Sea-Doo into this.
No, you can get one out of a Kawasaki, man.
I don't trust it. I only want Sea-Doo DI.
Oh my gosh. All right, well, what do we say about this piece of crap? Jacob bought an 1100 STX. Is this the STX that you guys want us to put the big engine in? I don't know.
I think they want me to put my 1500 engine into this.
People say do an STX with a supercharged engine. We know nothing.
Take it out of that and put it into this.
Oh.
Somebody on the internet says that it's good to do that.
Like, is this the one or is it a different STX? We know nothing about the STX.
Probably, if it is a colossal pain for not very much benefit, then you can count on us to do it. So if it's not a good thing to do, then for sure, well, definitely, I'm gonna absolutely do that.
Look at this. You don't see this very often.
Yeah, that was kind of weird.
Still good.
I almost didn't buy it because of